We're going to make farófias, which is amazing, soft, sweet clouds. They're just so delicious, and all you need is an egg, or many. And these are the ingredients. I am using a lot of eggs for this recipe, and for each egg white, it will be 1 spoon of sugar. Also for the yolk, 1 spoon of sugar. Farófias has 2 steps. It all starts with the egg, and we have now to separate the egg white from the egg yolk. With the egg whites, we're going to make the sweet clouds or farófias, and then with the egg yolk, we're going to make the most beautiful milk custard. The milk custard is like a cream custard, but is going to be a little bit lighter and more liquid. The great specialist to make this recipe is my mom, and I'm inviting her to help me. Take a look at what's happening during the recipe, and please don't forget to subscribe if you're not a Gabrielian yet, and leave your likes and comments. Thank you so much for making part of this wonderful tribe. Mom is advising that first I use a part of milk that is cold to dissolve eggs and sugar, and then I use the rest of the milk that has been boiled until the end and allowed to cook slowly until I have the custard done, and it just stops when it starts to boil. And you immediately put the bowl next to it so it doesn't continue to cook in the hot pan. Thank you for allowing me to share with you this moment with my parents that we take every night. We see each other and we kind of discuss what's going on and what's cooking. Now the milk custard is finished, and I'm going to focus on the sweet clouds. The egg whites will be whisked now for a little bit of time until they are really stiff. And for that, I'm going to use a pinch of salt so they stabilize. It's a lot of egg whites, as you can see, and I'm going to use again 1 spoon of sugar for each egg white. It's a lot of them. I'm not going to say it even because it's embarrassing, but it's Christmas, we need it. We reached a stiff point and they will not drop from the bowl. Look at this, no dropping. Now I'm going to display them like they're beautiful mountains in a baking tray. And the oven is already on at 250 degrees. I will reduce to 180. I decided to make more videos without music and allow the sounds of the kitchen to speak to you. And I hope you like it as much as I do. Now you're allowed to bake until golden. And look how cute. I'm going to put a wooden spoon in the oven door and allow the oven to cool down. Otherwise, farófias will collapse. Ta-da! Look how beautiful. Well, I think it's beautiful. What do you think? Now you serve with love and bon appetit! You can add a little pinch of cinnamon if you like, or a scoop of ice cream. this point, we're going to leave it just naked. These are the farófias in the oven, and it feels like home.
Agora também eu comia pratinho de creme e farófias.
Também acho, mamãe. Mom was just saying that she too, she would eat a little plate of farófias. What about you?